Welcome to our roundup of the best under-cabinet range hoods. Essential kitchen ventilation appliances designed to remove smoke, grease, odors, and excess heat while keeping your cooking space cleaner and more comfortable. Whether you're preparing everyday meals, frying foods, or handling high-heat cooking, a reliable under-cabinet range hood can make a huge difference in kitchen air quality and overall cooking comfort. Modern range hoods come with powerful airflow systems, multiple fan speeds, LED lighting, stainless steel construction, and easy-to-clean filters for improved convenience and performance. Many models also include touch controls, quiet operation, ductless compatibility, and energy-efficient designs for modern kitchens. Choosing the right under-cabinet range hood can improve ventilation efficiency, reduce lingering odors, and enhance your kitchen setup. Let's take a closer look at some of the best under-cabinet range hoods available right now. Starting with the Ferrega's 300 CFM under-cabinet range hood. This model is a great option for users looking for compact ventilation performance, practical functionality, and affordable everyday kitchen use. It typically features a 300 CFM airflow system that helps remove smoke, steam, and cooking odors effectively during normal cooking tasks. The slim under-cabinet design makes it suitable for smaller kitchens and apartments where saving space is important. Many versions include stainless steel construction, push-button controls, and built-in LED lighting for improved visibility while cooking. Its removable filters help simplify cleaning and maintenance during long-term use. Additionally, it delivers reliable ventilation performance and steady airflow for daily cooking needs. It also improves kitchen cleanliness, enhances convenience, and supports compact kitchen setups. Next up is the Amschef 750 CFM under-cabinet range hood, a versatile and dependable option designed for stronger airflow performance, modern appearance, and improved ventilation efficiency for busier kitchens. This model typically features a 750 CFM motor system capable of handling heavier smoke, grease, and cooking fumes more effectively than lower-powered units. The stainless steel body improves durability while giving the kitchen a sleek and modern appearance. Many versions include touch controls, multiple fan speeds, and bright LED lighting that help improve usability during cooking sessions. Its advanced airflow system helps maintain cleaner kitchen air during frying, grilling, and high-heat cooking. Additionally, it provides steady ventilation performance and consistent airflow management during demanding use. It also improves odor removal, enhances kitchen comfort, and supports more intensive cooking environments. Moving on to the Vicchio Home 900 CFM under-cabinet range hood. This model is known for its high airflow capability, premium construction, and strong ventilation performance for medium to large kitchens. It typically features a powerful 900 CFM motor that quickly removes smoke, steam, and airborne grease particles from the cooking area for better air quality. The multiple-speed fan system allows users to adjust airflow depending on cooking intensity and ventilation needs. Many versions also include touch-sensitive controls, digital displays, and energy-efficient LED lighting for added convenience. The stainless steel construction improves durability while maintaining a professional-style appearance in the kitchen. Additionally, it delivers efficient ventilation performance and reliable smoke extraction during frequent use. It also enhances airflow control, improves cooking comfort, and supports larger kitchen environments. Stepping up in performance, the Sierra ductless under-cabinet range hood offers a strong balance of flexibility, compact installation, and efficient odor filtration for kitchens without external duct systems. This model typically features a ductless recirculation design that filters and recirculates air using carbon filtration systems to help reduce odors and airborne particles. The compact under-cabinet structure makes it suitable for apartments, condos, and kitchens where traditional venting is difficult to install. Many versions include touch controls, adjustable fan speeds, and LED lighting that improve usability and cooking visibility. Its lightweight and modern design help maintain a cleaner and more organized kitchen appearance. Additionally, it delivers dependable filtration performance and stable airflow during everyday cooking tasks. It also improves installation flexibility, enhances odor control, and supports ductless kitchen configurations effectively. Taking the top spot is the Vicchio Home 1200 CFM under-cabinet range hood, a highly advanced and powerful option designed for maximum airflow performance, premium kitchen ventilation, and professional-level cooking support. This model typically features an extremely powerful 1200 CFM motor system capable of handling heavy smoke, grease, steam, and strong cooking odors from demanding cooking environments. The multiple speed control system allows users to customize airflow levels for different cooking situations with better precision and efficiency. Many versions include touch controls, gesture sensing, digital displays, quiet operation technology, and bright LED lighting for added convenience and modern functionality. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction provides long-lasting durability while maintaining a premium professional-style appearance. The large ventilation coverage area makes it especially suitable for larger kitchens and high-output cooking setups. All of these under-cabinet range hoods serve different needs depending on airflow capacity, installation style, and kitchen size. The Ferregas model offers compact and affordable ventilation for smaller spaces. The Amschef model provides stronger airflow and improved cooking comfort. The Vicchio Home 900 CFM model delivers premium ventilation performance and modern functionality. The Sierra ductless model offers flexible installation and effective odor filtration. And the Vicchio Home 1200 CFM model stands out as the most powerful and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best under-cabinet range hoods. From compact everyday ventilation units to high-performance models designed for maximum airflow and modern kitchen convenience. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, improving air quality, or creating a cleaner cooking environment, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which range hood you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and enjoy cleaner, fresher cooking with the right under-cabinet range hood.